Today, we would like to show you how to dismantle your Dräger PSS 4000 breathing apparatus set and how to fit cylinders in both a single and a twin configuration. This video is divided into different sections, which allow for easy navigation. Fitting of twin cylinder configuration. Fitting of single cylinder. Removing and fitting of shoulder pads. Removing and fitting of the waist pad and adjusting strap. The twin cylinder configuration requires a PSS 4000 variant capable of fitting twin cylinders. If required, upgrade kits are available. It's worth noting that fitting a 6 or 6.8 litre composite cylinder requires a compatible connector piece, whereas 4 litre steel cylinders require a negative Y piece and additional slim hand wheel. Before starting attachment, check the threads of the cylinder valve port and the pressure reducer. Fit the required T-piece onto the reducer. Position the pull-down strap. Insert the cylinder through the strap loop and attach the cylinder to the T-piece on the back plate. You then tighten the hand wheel of the reducer using only the thumb and index finger until a definite metal-to-metal contact is felt. Do not use tools or over-tighten. Now take up the slack in the cylinder strap and pull the strap over the cylinders to operate the cam lock. In this section, we will focus on single cylinder fitting using a universal cylinder strap. To attach the single cylinder to the backplate, place the breathing apparatus horizontally with reducer uppermost and extend the cylinder harness fully. Insert the cylinder through the strap loop and attach the cylinder to the reducer on the backplate. Place the breathing apparatus into position and tighten the hand wheel of the reducer. Do not use tools or over-tighten. Take up the slack in the cylinder strap. Then pull the strap over the cylinder, bringing it through the metal buckle and back over the cylinders to finally secure the strap end under the central pull-down strap and operate the cam lock. To fit the Dräger PSS 4000 with new shoulder pads, first we must remove the old shoulder pads from the set. Unclip the hoses from the shoulder pads and detach the adjusting straps. Then place the back plate on a stable surface. First, pull the lower fastening loop up to release the retaining tab, and then push the tab back through the slot. Remove the strap loop from the center bar and pull the strap loops from the twin slots. Fully remove the shoulder pad tab from the yoke. Disconnect the adjusting strap from the back plate. Pull the strap through the single slot in the back plate, making sure the retaining tab is in place. Fit the loop between the center bar of the twin slots to secure the adjusting strap. To attach the new shoulder pads, insert the front strap loop through the single slot of the yoke, making sure the retaining tab is in place. Afterwards, fit the strap loop on the center bar of the twin slots and insert the back strap loop through the twin slots. Pull the strap loop all the way through to ensure that the retaining tab stops the strap loop from slipping back through. Fix the hoses into place. Ensure the set is placed on a flat, stable surface to remove the pull-forward adjusting straps. Pull the strap through the retaining loop on the waist belt and remove the plastic buckle. Next, pull the strap through the retaining loop. Push the tab through the first slot in the space frame and pull the strap through to remove via the second slot of the space frame. Finally, pull the strap through the last two retaining loops. To attach the waist belt, place the back plate horizontally and pull the waist belt through the retaining loops of the waist belt pad. Then pull the strap through the slot in the frame, pushing the tab through the slot if necessary. After that, pull the strap through the retaining loop and through the other side of the space frame to secure. Now fit the plastic buckle and then the metal fastener to the waist belt, coming through the metal fastener and back to the plastic buckle. Finally, fit the waist belt buckle to the pull-forward straps and adjust them.